Hair products on beard, the do's and don'ts. It is not difficult to understand why anyone would assume it is okay to use regular shampoo on his beard instead of buying a different type of beard wash. For starters, it is convenient to do so, the bottle is sitting right there in front of you. But here's the thing, while you can use hair products on your beard, is it safe to do so? You should never use hair products on your beard. Although your scalp and face both have hair, they are not the same skin and neither do the hairs have the same texture. Hair and beard products may contain the same or similar ingredients, but they are developed explicitly using different proportions. I've been a beard enthusiast right from a young age, and as you can imagine, I have experimented with tons of care products on my beards. At first, it didn't matter whether these products were recommended or not, I was merely driven by my excitement and desire to see my beard grow faster. However, after several tough lessons, I began to test out products out of curiosity. So, trust me when I say it is not in the best interest of your beard and facial skin to use hair products on your beard. As we dig deeper into this post, you will soon discover that killing two birds with one shot doesn't work when it comes to hair and beard products. Similar ingredients, different preparations. Have you ever looked at the ingredients on a beard or hair product? You're not alone. Many of us do this to figure out exactly what we are applying to our heads or faces. It is not strange to find similar ingredients listed on hair and beard products. In most cases, you'll notice the same or a similar set of constituents. For example, both hair and beard shampoo contain essential oils. Let's leave out the chemicals in hair shampoo for now, we'll get to that in a moment. Although many of the ingredients in both products are the same, they are composed using different proportions to suit different types of skin and hair. For example, this incredibly effective beard shampoo and conditioner by Zeus contains some ingredients found in most regular shampoos. Although Zeus is a world-renowned brand, and its beard wash is one of the very best on the market, the product is not effective for cleaning scalp hair. The reason for this is simple. The constituents are formulated for beard hair and not scalp hair. Perhaps, like me, Einstein also experimented with different hair products on his beard, when he allegedly said, "Everyone is a genius." But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Okay, maybe he didn't say that about hair and beard products, but the point is, hair and beard care products are generally formulated to be effective and safe, but if you use them for the wrong purpose, you won't get the results you hoped for. You're likely to think something is wrong with the product, when, in fact, there is absolutely nothing wrong except that you are using it incorrectly. Think about it this way, French fries and potato chips are both made from potatoes, however, they contain fat, fiber, water, and calories in varying proportions, and are prepared differently, which is why they are different snacks to begin with, and neither are they the healthiest foods, by the way. Does it make any sense? To the layman, there's really no big deal when it comes to hair and beard care products. But come to think of it, why would manufacturers and international brands invest time and huge funds in research only to churn out care products that merely duplicate an already existing function? Does that make any sense? I don't think so. There's more to these products than their names. The words shampoo, balm, oil, and even trimmer in care products for men are not to be taken to mean they work for both scalp and beard hair. There is a reason manufacturers differentiate these products with their proper identities, such as hair gel, rather than merely gel. Products are labeled for a reason, they help you identify what the product is meant for. This is common sense. Why then, would anyone think it is okay to use just any product on their beards? If you have full hair, does it make any sense to get a haircut with an electric razor? It really doesn't. Electric razors like this one work wonders when used on beards and mustaches. It can be used in both wet and dry shaving, but it is totally unsuitable and ineffective for cutting scalp hair. Of course, if you are completely bald, you could use an electric razor on your head because you have little to no hair at all to cut, in the first place. If you think it is odd to use beard razors or trimmers on scalp hair, then you'll find it completely laughable when thinking of using hair gel on your beards. Not only is hair gel unhealthy for your beard hair, but it also cakes it, such that you would look totally ridiculous. Unless you are trying to be funny or comical, it simply doesn't make any sense to use hair gel on your beard. If you are looking for an excellent beard gel, I recommend using the Billy Jealousy Beard Control, which is formulated specifically for beards. This product contains aloe leaf juice that helps in softening and hydrating your beard. It is an excellent choice to consider. However, if you want to style your beard and mustache without the risk of caking them, then a beard wax like the Badass Beard Care Beard Wax. This one from Badass Beard Care will do the trick. Can I use hair products on my beard temporarily? Is anyone reading this still in doubt? To answer the question directly, no. Notice that I didn't necessarily say you can't use hair products on your beard. Of course you can. Although no one can prevent you from doing so, that doesn't mean it's okay. Why? It is simply just not safe to do so. Perhaps not safe is a bit vague. Here are a few concrete reasons why it is not safe to use hair products on your facial hair. Hair products, such as shampoos, can weaken the follicles of your beard hair. If this happens, your beard will start breaking and falling out. The roots of your facial hairs will become weak and adversely affect their overall health in the long run. Quality beard products, such as beard wash, contain antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial ingredients that make your beard hair healthy, comfortable, and good-looking. On the other hand, hair products, such as regular shampoo, are formulated to wash off too much oil from the scalp. The skin on your face doesn't even have enough oil to keep up with your beard hair. For this reason, it will erode the oil in your beard and leave the skin underneath dry and scaly. Hair products, such as hair trimmers, have thicker blades designed for scalp hair. If you use hair trimmers on your beards, you will likely get irritations on the skin on your face that can lead to bumps, inflamed skin, ingrown hair, and even acne. As explained earlier, your beard hair and skin are different from those on your head. Although hair products are usually safe to use on your scalp, they are too harsh for your facial skin and hair. Do not apply products meant to be used on scalp hair on your beard. There is a wide range of beard products from which any man can choose, regardless of your budget. If cost is your concern, keep in mind that it is better to spend more and get value than to pinch your coins and expose your beard and skin to irritations. Besides, there are plenty of affordable beard products that can give you the results you want, even if they seem cheap. However, your best bet would be to go for high-quality brands, and quality comes at a price. If there is one piece of advice I will freely give to anyone considering maintaining a beard, it is this: always shop for quality. Top quality beard product recommendations. Warning: this section is meant only for men who take their beard seriously. I've gone on and on about using only beard products for your beard because they are formulated explicitly for your face fuzz. It is time to show you the beard products that actually separate the men from the boys. If you're ready to invest time and money, quality money, to the business of grooming your beard and facial hair, these special beard care products are for you. You won't be seeing a lot of people buying this product, not because the product is ineffective, but because it is for real men. First, let's start with the most commonly misused men's care product, shampoo. From Delta Genesis comes this one-of-a-kind beard shampoo, the Beard Roar XL. Besides giving your beard a fresh, manly scent, it also stimulates facial hair growth. However, if you prefer a beard kit with effective shampoo and beard balm, then go for Big Forest Beard Growth Kit by 1DTQ. This product is excellent for tackling excess oil that can prevent beard growth and protecting your facial skin from beardruff. It is simply unthinkable to grow a healthy beard without quality beard oil. My top beard oil pick for bearded men is Jack Black Beard Oil. It is formulated with exclusive blends of organic natural oils, vitamins, and potent antioxidants to prevent itchy and dry skin. It softens and hydrates your beard hair while giving it a healthy shine. On the other hand, if you don't want to spend time looking for different leave-in beard care products, I recommend this fantastic beard kit by Live Bearded brand. It comes complete with a beard wash, beard oil, and beard butter. This is the beard kit to die for if you want to be Mr. Charming. No matter how healthy and clean your beard is, allowing it to grow wildly will definitely make you look unkempt. You need a product that will help you take charge and control your beard hair. I'm talking about beard balms and wax. Beard stubble can be particularly itchy and uncomfortable, but that doesn't mean you should shave them off. This rare beard balm should do the trick. But if you prefer a product that combines both balm and wax functions at a great price, I've got you covered. For some reason that I haven't been able to figure out, this special beard balm and wax product is manufactured by a company called Prophet Tools. Perhaps, it was named after the prophets who, back in the day, kept long beards. Whatever the reason, what is important is the incredible results the product gives. It softens your mustache and beard, promotes healthy beard growth, adds shine to your beard, and, of course, gives a lasting hold that enables you to style your beard whatever way you want. Lastly, whether you keep a long beard or prefer a 5 o'clock shadow, you'll love this powerful beard trimmer by Bevel. It can work for 4 straight hours before needing to be charged. The blades are designed to repel oil, dirt, and any buildup that can cause skin irritation. The product is a bit pricey, but hey, it's your beard we are talking about here. Thus, it deserves the very best. And finally, just because you don't keep a long beard or because you keep a clean shave is not enough reason to use the wrong product on your face. Shaving is also part of caring for your facial hair. For a great clean shave, consider this grooming kit. It is a cordless electric trimmer that trims your facial hairs, including the hairs in your nose. It is suitable for both wet and dry conditions, meaning you can use it while in the shower or on dry skin. Conclusion. How would you react if your hairstylist attempts to give you a haircut with a straight razor? You are likely to object if you're like most men. That's because, although a razor can cut hair, it is designed to shave facial hair and not scalp hair. If beard products are not suitable or effective for the hairs on your head, then the opposite is true also. There are a plethora of care products for the different hairs on your body. Using the right type of product for each skin and hair type is the best way to guarantee the desired result. You are smart, so you won't fall for the misleading idea that says it is more affordable and convenient to use hair products on beards. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.